At Sonic Components, the conversation began with a familiar problem. Operators had pushed their networks past the point where good enough could still be called efficient. Routing performance was no longer the challenge. The real pressure came from service processing, where every new demand seemed to require a compromise somewhere else in the architecture. The Nokia 7750 SR ESA 400G changed that discussion. It separated service functions from the router's core silicon, giving the network dedicated compute that could scale on its own terms. Instead of forcing growth to compete with routing capacity, it allowed both to advance independently. The result was a cleaner model for expansion, with more room for services and less risk to the performance already in place. For operators planning the next phase of their infrastructure, that distinction mattered. Capacity could be protected. Services could be added with confidence. Expansion no longer meant choosing between agility and stability because the platform was designed to support both. Questions quickly followed, as they always do when a solution promises to solve more than one bottleneck at once. Compatibility had to be confirmed. Sizing had to be matched to the project. Lead times had to be understood. Bulk pricing had to make business sense. That is where the process became simple. The team invited buyers to reach out at scs@soniccomponents.com and move the project forward with clear answers and practical support. In a market where speed and certainty both matter, the offer was straightforward. Build bigger, scale smarter, and keep routing performance exactly where it belongs.